Get paid every single day by using Google Maps. What's up, guys? My name is Suleiman Shepa. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you, right, or teaching you on how to get paid every single day by using Google Maps, right? If you enjoyed this video, or subscribe to the channel if you are new, guys, like this video. If you're enjoying the content that I'm bringing out every single day, guys, because it really helps out the channel, right? So, first things first, I really want you to stay till the end of the video because every single detail I say in this video is really important, right? So, first things, first things first, with my ugly drawings that you already know, I'm gonna explain what it is and how you get paid with Google Ads and everything, right? So basically, Google Maps, right? Google Maps is here, right? And then there's companies and products, companies, right? About in a certain area, right? In a certain area, here's a certain area. Then there's companies here, and they show their location. Now, what if this company is down here? It has no time for advertising, right? What if you can advertise for it and and for it to come up here and you get paid. Actually, you can even get paid up to 1,000 bucks. It depends on which company you are doing and in what location you are in, right? So that's basically what you're going to do today. So right, let's clear that. Right, so let's go to Google Maps. Google Maps, right? Google Maps. Right, so here is Google Maps, right? So you wanna choose a location, right? So for me, yes, you can see my location here. Don't spam me. I'm gonna choose a location that I know of. Because if I choose my location, ish, nobody gonna pay you here, right? So I'm just gonna choose a popular area I know of, a Newport Beach, right? So I'm gonna switch. So now, what you wanna do basically is you wanna look for certain company, either if it's restaurants, either if it's dental clinics, either if it's fitness academies, whatever, guys. You wanna look in this in certain areas, it's LA, whatever, in whatever country you are in, right? So in this case, I'm gonna use dentist, right? So Newport Beach, dentist, right? So dentist, right? Dentist, right? And I'm gonna search. So what's gonna show me? It's gonna show me the areas and basically the top places, right? And as you can see here, we wanna be here, right? And the top two areas here, right? As you can see here, these are ads, right? So I don't really wanna do it on the first top page because it's not good. So I wanna go to the second page, right? So go to the second page. Uh, second page. Right. So we're gonna look for companies on the second page. Blah blah blah. This is the last one. Okay. So let me look for a certain company. Okay, let's look for this one. 4.8. Right. So Hester Edward Efrat. Blah 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 blah. Whatever it is. Right. So what you wanna do basically? Let me go here. Where's the website? Right. So this is direction, and I can't seem to find their website. Oh. Let me go to their website. Let me go to their website, guys. So give me a sec. Okay, that's not going to go there. Right. So you wanna look at the clients you wanna do if their website is actually good and if you can actually work with them. So right. So if I look at this, looks decent. Yep. Nice history. Yep. They say hours with what time they open and close. There's the support. Everything is here. I like it. I actually like this one. Right. So yes. So let's call it Esther Edwards or Hester Edwards. But so you wanna go to Google Maps, right? Google Ads, right? So you wanna go to Google Ads, uh, right? AdSense account if you have an AdSense account, right? So you open up Google Ads. It's really not that hard to create an AdSense account. Trust me. If you search for Google AdSense, it shows up and click the link, the first link. that's not ad, right? And then it shows up, you create it, just give it a few email and something else, I forgot really. So, and then there you go. So I'm just waiting for this one to load up. I have no idea why it's sticky. Yep, it's loading up. Right, so it's loading up, just give it time. So what you wanna do basically is, you wanna create a new campaign for this company, right? So for them to show up at the top recommendation, right? Uh, so I say new campaign, right? So it's bringing up the new campaign, right? So basically, what you want to do is basically it's not sales, it's get leads, get new dentals, right? So get new dentists, get new people to this dentist place, right? So you wanna go to create ad, get leads, right? So you wanna get leads because you want people to show up there, right? So that's your job, right? And then let's go through here. This is the video, which means that campaign type video, which means like this is a YouTube video, right? YouTube, you wanna make a YouTube video, YouTube ad, this one. Shopping, if there's a product, display, if you want to display something, search. Now we wanna do search because we search for something, right? So we go to search. Select the ways you would like to reach your goal. Through a website visit, right? Website visit, obviously. Business website, okay. Let's just say website visit or phone calls. Right? Because if you say, let's say the website, the business website, blah blah blah. Let's just say Hester something. Hester what? HesterAds.com. Just say .com. I don't know. Right, so by the way, I am not associated with this website at all. So if you think that I am not, I just look it up. So right, so you go to, I don't know why it's not doing. Right, yep, this one. Continue. Just move on. Right, so give it some time for it to load up, right? So select your ways you would like to reach your goal with the website visit, obviously, or phone calls. Right, so it's website visit. Okay, so let's give up this. Let's see. Yep, there we go. There we go. So basically now what you wanna do is sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties, right? So you wanna set up an ad for this site, right? So uh campaign name, you say tester or whatever his name is, tester Edward campaign, right? So just extra Edward, right? And then you select network, search, display, right? Search, and then the location. This is pretty easy because you are really drawing it down. So you just say Newport Beach, right? So it doesn't have to be even United States. Just say Newport Beach. Newport Beach. Why is it not showing Newport Beach? Some reason it's not okay. Yeah, there we go. Newport Beach, and there's 300,000 people in Newport Beach, right? So let's just say Newport Beach, and then the language they speak is English, right? We go to English. The audience is really people who are in Newport Beach, so really just do that. The ad campaign, the ad budget, it really depends as of what, whatever you discussed with the thing. So with the company, so as of me, I would just say, let me say $50, right? $50, and then I'll say maximum cap or something. Uh, what do you want to focus on? On getting clicks recommended? Yep, it's clicks, right? And then all this will say save and continue, right? Save and continue all that. So you wanna create an ad for this company, just give it the time to load up. So we can actually set up the ad so it can be on top of the recommendation, right? And this is actually a nice way to see get a keyword idea from. They even give you keyword ideas, right? So ad group name and everything you need to know, like type. Let's just say one, right? Let's just say one. Right? So save and continue. Save and continue. So that's an add group. Save and continue. Just give it time, guys, to load up. And then say save and continue, right? So if you say, so you, after you're done with this step, right? So say the headline, right now, the URL is this company's URL you want to put there. And I don't want to put their URL, but you want to put the company you're associated with, right? So you want to put their URL here. So let's say https www.herstaed.com. I don't know. I just don't want to put their URL, right? And then you can see here, best recommended dentist, right? Dentist, right? Best recommended dentist in town or in Newport. But you want to tell people, hey, this is the best thing here, right? So, okay, so this is the first one. Let's just say in Newport. Just say in town. In town. Okay, let's just say best recommended dentist. Right? Obviously, people are gonna know because you already selected the audience that are gonna see is people who searched up Newport Beach, right? So in the second headline, you wanna put something like best Newport Beach number one, something like that. I don't know. You think of something. It's your client, so you think of something, right? And then you say here, come by any time, right? And then here it tells them the directions of like blah blah blah, go to that one. And the direction you say, hey, something like we are the best in town, so why don't you come by for a free teeth check? I don't know. You wanna save something for free so people can be like, huh, first of all, it's the best dentist in town. But second of all, they even offering something for free. So why not I go in there, right? So let's buy for a free teeth checkup, right? So so here go say come by any time. Gonna be like come by any time for free teeth. Something that fits along those lines, right? So free teeth or something like that. Come by for free teeth check. For free teeth check. I don't know. But and then you wanna say the second description of blah blah blah, whatever you wanna say here, and then you put in your clients over details here, right? And then you save and continue, right? I don't wanna save and continue because if it saves and continue, it gonna charge me, and I don't want to be charged, right? So that is basically how you set it up, right? So so right now you have everything, you know everything, and you have maybe one that hey Philemon, yeah, I know all that, but how do I get paid? Like how do I get paid? Well, let me tell you. You go to this client's thing, go to their either website. I mean they have these people have given a lot of, so you go to their website, right? So let me exit off that and exit off that. Go to their website, or you can either call them or go to their website, right? Contact us, right? And and then they put on their cell phone or send us an email. You can either send them an email if you are not free, if you are not good at cold calling, right? Or if you're good at cold calling, you can either call them up and say, hey, uh, I saw that your company or your dentist thing it's on the second page of the Google Maps, and what if I know I can put it on the top, so blah blah blah. Say something like that, right? Along those lines. I will not say that, but something along those lines, like, hey, I know I can put it up there, so let's work on something so it can be on top, so you can get more clients, do your business, right? So because it's a good company, it does not deserve to be in the second place, or I mean on the second page, it deserves to be on the first page on top, right? And I just say something, and I've been in there, you guys have food service and everything like that. So why don't you work part time, I mean, together and everything, and they can even pay you everywhere between 1,000 to depends really on how much you on what you negotiate with these people, right? They can pay you any price, right? So thank you guys for watching. If you're wondering how I'm getting all this information that I'm telling you right now, check out the second link in the description. That will take you to my number one recommendation on how to make money online. That is the number one way that has helped me make my money with affiliate marketing, right? So don't forget to check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Once again, guys, thank you guys for watching. My name is Lemon Airport, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace.